Launched in 2007, Stinger was born from innovation, focused on providing the best protection from moisture below the surface. That means a superior moisture defense system of underlayment, fasteners, and the tools to lay them down. Our underlayment is stronger. It's 100% synthetic and UV resistant up to 6 months. With proprietary non-skid additives that reduce slips and pre-printed fastening patterns that speed up installation. Combine them with our fasteners, and you'll get a moisture barrier that's tested and approved for up to 180 mile-per-hour winds. That's fast, but our tools are faster and better. From our award-winning pneumatic cap nailer and cap stapler to our cap hammers, all created with the contractor in mind. Quicker reloads, ergonomic handles, higher holding capacity. Our collated tools are faster than traditional applications. No more hand-driving caps or A11 staples. Our professional-grade products are lighter. With tools under 5 pounds and underlayment from 18 to 28 pounds. That means trips up the ladder are easier without sacrificing quality. So whether securing underlayments or house wrap, we have what you need to get the job done fast and done right the first time. Because when it comes to protecting your home, it's all about what lies underneath. Stinger Moisture Defense Systems.